These 4 tools cost nothing, and between them, they cover writing, research, document analysis, and design, the 4 things most professionals use AI for every day. The catch? Most people have never heard of 3 of them. There are hundreds of AI tools out there. Most charge money from day one. Many that claim to be free are just 7-day trials. This video covers only the ones with permanent, genuinely useful free plans. No card required, no trial countdown. This is for non-technical professionals, marketers, HR managers, teachers, writers, business owners who want to start using AI tools but are not sure which ones are worth the time. No coding, no expensive subscriptions to figure out first. Every tool in this video has a free plan that lets you get real work done. I will also tell you the honest limits of each free plan, because some of them matter. If you want one practical AI tip every week, subscribe. We publish every Tuesday, built for non-technical professionals. Let me start with the most useful thing in this video. Here's a stack of 4 tools, all free, all genuinely capable, all with permanent free plans. Claude, best for writing and working with long documents. The free plan gives you Claude Sonnet, one of the strongest writing models available. There are daily usage limits, and they do get tighter during busy periods. But for most beginners, the free tier is enough to get started and stay productive. Perplexity AI, best for research where you need to check sources. The free plan gives you unlimited basic searches. Every answer comes with citations linked to the original source. You also get 5 pro searches per day. Pro searches go deeper and pull from more sources. 5 is not a lot, so use them for your most important questions. NotebookLM, best for working with your own documents. Free plan, 100 notebooks, 50 sources per notebook, 50 chat queries per day, and 3 audio overviews per day. You upload PDFs, reports, or notes. It answers only from what you uploaded. No guessing, no hallucination from outside sources. For most beginners, this free plan is more than enough. Canva Magic Studio, best for visual content. The free plan includes AI image generation, text generation inside designs, background removal, and template generation from a prompt. No design experience needed. That stack covers the 4 areas most professionals need most. Writing and documents, Claude. Research you can trust, Perplexity. Your own files, NotebookLM. Visual content, Canva. Now, the rule that will save you money. Do not sign up for paid plans until you know which tool you actually use every day. Use the free stack first, build the habit. When you keep hitting a specific free limit, that is the signal to upgrade that one tool, not all of them at once. Paying for tools you rarely open is the most common AI beginner mistake. It is also the most avoidable one. Quick question, which of these 4 free tools have you already tried? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious where most people are starting from. Most people start with ChatGPT and use it for everything. ChatGPT is excellent, but it is not the strongest option for every task. Let me show you 3 examples. If you are writing something, an email, a report, a long article, try Claude free. Claude tends to produce cleaner, more natural writing than ChatGPT, especially for anything over a few paragraphs. Both are free. It takes 5 minutes to test them side by side. If you are researching something and you need to trust what you find, use Perplexity free. Every answer shows you exactly where the information came from. ChatGPT and Claude can generate confident-sounding answers that are wrong. Perplexity cites its sources, so you can check. If you have documents you need to understand quickly, meeting notes, a long report, a contract, upload them to NotebookLM free. Ask questions in plain English. It will only answer from what you gave it. That matters for professional work. Here's a concrete example. You have a 40-page industry report you need to understand before a meeting tomorrow. Option A, read it tonight. Takes 90 minutes. You might miss things. Option B, upload it to NotebookLM free. Ask what are the 3 biggest risks this report identifies. Get a cited, accurate answer in 30 seconds. Then ask follow-up questions. Same report, very different evening. That is the core idea. Not use more AI tools. Use the right free tool for the specific job. And if this helped you figure out where to start, subscribe. Every week, practical AI guides for non-technical professionals. No hype, no overselling. Just what works. I will see you in the next one.